Hey everyone, it's Jessica, and today I'm going to be going to several different thrift stores, and I will be sharing with you what I purchased. If you like thrifting and thrift hauls, I post this type of content on my channel every week, so definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy this type of content. So the first stop on today's thrifting trip is Restore. I have been dropping by when I'm in the area to check out their light fixture selection. I have been on the hunt for just the right light fixture for my dining room. I haven't quite found the right one, but I'm just going to keep on looking. And as always, let me know what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. I always enjoy reading everybody's answers down in the comments. One thing I always do when I come to the Restore is check out their furniture selection. They have an awesome selection, especially here in my area of furniture. I've been on the hunt for a vintage vanity for a while as well, and I didn't quite see anything that I liked on today's trip, but I did want to share with you some of the awesome furniture pieces that I did see. Before we move on to the next stop of today's thrifting trip, I thought I would share with you what I bought at the Restore. So my husband was with me on today's trip, and he actually found some cords and cables that he needed, and he found 4 in total, and they were $1 each, and here's what he found. And the only thing that I found at the Restore was something that I didn't expect to find, especially here. So they have a case full of items right at the register, and I spotted a tray of rings inside of the case, and they really look like my style, so I had to check them out. They were all $5 each, and I found this one here. It's a very pretty little opal ring. It's sterling silver with gold plating. Some of the gold plating has came off, but I love it anyway. It has a vintage look to it, and it's the perfect size to wear on my pinky finger. So I must admit, I have had a little obsession with rings lately, and it's one of the many things that I like to collect. And I also thought I would share with you this really unique ring that I just got in the mail from Jeulia Jewelry. So if you have been watching my channel for a while now, you may know that I love snails. And when I saw this unique snail ring on Jeulia's website, I just knew I had to have it for my collection. I have a few other Jeulia pieces, and I love the quality. All of their rings are sterling silver, and they come beautifully packaged. And you also get a cleaning cloth with every purchase. So I will have this ring and their website linked down below in case you're interested in checking them out. And if I have any coupon codes, I will link it down below as well. So I really love that in the description of this ring on Jeulia's website, it says that you can use this snail ring as a reminder to slow down and enjoy life. I really love that, and it will definitely remind me to do that. So now I'm going to take you into Goodwill and show you some of the interesting things that I saw while I was shopping. I did buy one thing in Goodwill, and I will show you that before we move on to the next thrift store. So the only thing that I purchased at Goodwill today was this sign right here, and it was 99 cents. And it says, "No soliciting, including charity, politics, and religion, but Girl Scout cookies are welcome." I thought this was hilarious, and I have seen similar signs before on people's houses, and I always wanted one, but I did decide to give this one to my parents. And it even has the command strip sticky things on the back, so all they have to do is stick it to their front door. So this last little bit of thrifting footage is actually from 2 different thrift stores in my area, and I also found something at one of the stores, and I will show you that at the end of the video. So while I was looking at the dishes, I happened to come across a stack of small, plain white Corelle bowls. They were 89 cents a piece. There were 8 in total, but I only picked up 4 of them. I actually had been looking for some small, plain white ones just like this, so it was perfect. And if you're wondering how I got the price off of the bottom of them, simply just washing them in soap and water gets this marker off very easily. So that is everything that I purchased on today's thrifting adventure. I hope this video inspires you to go thrifting. You never know what you're going to find. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.